It's IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe someone like a famous person that is a role model for young people. So, over to you.
Role models play a significant role in shaping the lives of individuals. I know many popular role models and famous persons, but today I am going to talk about an Indian cricketer, Virat Kohli. He is a role model for millions of youngsters, and I also inspire him. He start.
Okay, I am inspired by him.
I am inspired by him. He started playing cricket when he was around 6 years old, and he wanted to become an international cricketer. His father passed away when he was around 18 years old. On this day, he had to play cricket match for his country. He took sudden decision on this occasion, and he preferred to play match for his country, and he won the match. And Virat Kohli's impressive achievements include numerous international records, and he is the player who scored 50 plus ODI centuries. And he is a perfect role model for youngsters in different ways. First of all, his life story shows how to overcome challenges, and his hard work, dedication, and passion for the game are truly admirable. Secondly, he also support and participate in charitable programs. The purpose of these programs to support those who cannot afford the fee of educational institution, and his work for education and healthcare department are also remarkable and spectacular. Millions of people follow him on social media accounts, so that's why I believe that he is a perfect role model for youngsters.
All right, 1 minute 47 seconds. Overall, your answer is good. You're using a wide range of words in your answer. There is one thing which you are doing repeatedly, that is subject verb agreement in present simple tense. Whenever we use he, she, it, or a singular noun, we need to add s or es to the
Yes,
verb. So you're not adding. You said he want to become.
wants,
It should have been he wanted to become. This is
wanted,
past tense.
past,
Then you said he prefer. It should have been he prefers.
he prefers,
Then you said he won.
he wants,
Actually, it's won and one. They have same pronunciation. So won.
won,
He won many matches. Won,
he
not
won.
won. Then you said he support. It should have been he supports, right? So these type of things, and try to brush up your overall English pronunciation as well, right?
Okay.
So looking at all these things strictly, I give you a 6 band. Although you are capable of getting 6.5 at this point, but in order to score 7, you will have to overcome these grammatical mistakes.
Okay.
Right? Thank you.